Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? Students, I hope you all are doing well and you all are watching my video lessons carefully. Yes? So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video lesson, you have to do 3 things for me. You have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel and you have to share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, so let's get started. So students, as you all know that part 1 ended with a suspense that the narrator has found an unnoticed room whose door was accidentally got open by narrator's rod, right? Now let's understand what happens in the story. So are you ready for it? Let's try to explore the suspense of the story now. So now when the narrator noticed that the room got open, the door was opened of the room now, he peeped inside the room. And what he discovered? He discovered that wooden door frames were kept in that room, right? So what happened next? So he informed about this to the host, right? And the host sent a servant to close that room. Okay, narrator informed the host that your room's door is open, so kindly close it. Okay, so that is why the host sent a servant and he ordered him to close the door of that room, right? After that, what happened? So the next morning, while returning from fishing, the narrator pushed the door. And why he did so? He did so in order to check whether the servants has closed it or not, right? But what did he notice? He noticed that it got opened again and he was quite surprised. He thought that he has already informed all these things to the host, but then also the doors aren't closed yet. So he mentioned that to the host that one of the servants must have knowingly left the door open. And now what could be the reason? There can be multiple reasons, right? Maybe the servants want to steal something from there, right? And just wanted to say that ghost is there in that room so that nobody will go inside that room, isn't it? So what happened now? Soon the narrator noticed that there were not any door frames in that room. So it means now those door frames were misplaced. So somebody has stolen. Now students, what do you think? Who must have stolen those door frames? Yes, was there any thief or was there any ghost who has taken away those door frames? Now this is the question we need to think really deep, right? So students, after listening to the narrator patiently, the host has to inform him something. And what did he inform? He told him that one of their servants had died in that room 15 years ago. Students, can you believe this? Now the host informed this to the narrator that in that room there was a servant who was died 15 years ago, right? And since then the door had never remained closed. So now he was informing this to the narrator. And narrator was quite surprised. Now certain question arises here. And what are those questions? What was stored in that room? We all know that door frames were stored, right? But do you really think that door frames are something very important that the person want to steal that? Right? Then what's the matter? Narrator was also quite confused. Students, what's the mystery? Can we say that it might be the case that the narrator has himself stolen those door frames and now pretending to be innocent? Can we say that? Now for that we have to understand it further, right? So students, we really need to understand that is there any specific reason that why those wooden door frames were kept in that room? What is the reason? What does it signify? Was this place actually haunted or someone was just doing a sort of prank? So these kind of question arises in the mind of reader and it should arise, right? Whenever you are studying or reading any story that is related to mystery, you must question, right? The more you'll question, the more you'll understand. Well, to know these answers, you have to stay tuned to my channel, right? Soon we will reveal the mystery of this chapter. So for that, you have to keep learning and you have to stay tuned to my channel, right? So students, now what task you have to do in your English Fair register? You have to do part 1 of the story, right? Introduction we have already covered. So part 1 of the story, then you have to do word meanings, okay? And question answers soon I'll be discussing after discussing the second part of the story, right? So students, please make sure that till that time you have to complete your notes, okay? And then we will move to the assignment, okay? So please ensure that your work should be completed and thoroughly revise and practice for your semester exams as well, okay? So students, that's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you take care of yourselves and you keep on learning. And yes students, before going, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright? Goodbye. Take care.